Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Revolve. The brand Revolve is from India. I unboxed and reviewed one of the fragrances before, and they are quite impressive, especially for the money under £20. It smelled good. So this one, I got another one, so see how it goes, because the other one in terms of performance was okay, wasn't excellent. So I went for another one, see if it's a norm in their brand or that was an exception, and this one performs better. So this one in particular called Rare pour Homme and 100 ml Eau de Parfum. In United Kingdom there is only one place you can buy it for under £20, and it's called latif.co.uk or something like that. And the availability in other countries, you have to Google it, search it and see if it's available in your area. I know where I live and the availability here and the prices and all that things. So, but before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, if you find it informative, if you find it entertaining or anything else, please hit those buttons, give me a thumbs up, comment, share this video, subscribe. All those good things will help this channel to go a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. So very simple box, but quite nice. The important thing is it protects the bottle. Sorry about the noise. It's quite a nice box. It's got texture to it, dark gray or black almost. It says Eau de Parfum Revolve Rare pour Homme. The bottle is very good looking, very heavy bottle. So nice heavy bottle. It's quite attractive. It's quite simplistic, but it's very good. It's very on the classical side, so I like it. But it's very heavy. The cap is plastic, but it's got weight to it. And the atomizer is silver. Here we go. Good atomizer. So far so good. Presentation for under £20 is excellent. In terms of boxing, in terms of the bottling and everything else, the spray, everything is good. So let's see how it goes with the smell. Here we go. This is Rare pour Homme by Revolve, 100 ml Eau de Parfum. Here we go. Yes, King Creed Aventus number 786. But apart from the joke, yes, it is another inspired fragrance from Creed Aventus, and it smells good. Fruity, sweet, woody, floral. At the moment it opens very fruity, so I'm not getting that much smokiness, so it could be one of those that is a fruity side of Creed Aventus, which many people like, and the pineapple is actually quite nice in here. Yeah, I can smell pineapple, I can smell lemon, I can smell bergamot, I can smell blackcurrant. Yeah, it's good. So it smells good, and the quality is good, especially for under £20. The quality is good. It didn't open with harshness, chemical, any roughness, nothing. It's very smooth, and it opened up straight to the perfume. Although when you put it on skin, just give it a few seconds, maybe 5-6 seconds, and then go inside, because obviously for this price point, sometimes the alcohol in the beginning it might give, but I didn't get that alcohol anyway. But just be on the safe side, when you get a cheap fragrance, don't dig your nose straight away in it, because it might give you give your nose a shock, and then you won't like the perfume. Sometimes people do that. Sometimes they go for it and then they have a bad experience and then they blame it on the fragrance. So just be a little bit patient. Yeah, bang on. I would say 90% Creed Aventus. Very fruity right now, quite floral, quite woody, but I'm not getting that much smoke right now. But it's woody, so the woods are there. The birchy, woody, cedary, and also the florals, the jasmine and the patchouli, little bit of rose in here as well, and also the fruits are here, which is apple, bergamot, pineapple. Pineapple is here, which is for this price point is quite unusual. Usually when you get cheaper fragrances, one thing they lack in is the pineapple, but pineapple is here very apparent. Yeah, pineapple is here. So it's got that beautiful, I like DNA of Creed Aventus. That's not a secret. If you like Creed Aventus DNA, again, another no-brainer. This is very good. At the moment, for under £20, I'm loving it. You know me, I love it. I can't hide it. I'm a bit biased toward DNA of Creed Aventus, and but if you are like me and you like the DNA of Creed Aventus, again, this is very good value for money. They smell good, and it doesn't smell, as I said, harsh, chemical, rough, or anything like that. You opened up very nicely. The only question on mine is the performance. If the performance is anything good, even if it goes up to 6, 7, 8 hours, then we have a bang on our hand. But if the performance lacks, then that's another Creed Aventus clone that is, on the weaker side. So in the next video, I'll let you know the performance, the longevity, the development, and things like that. But for first impression, first sniff, 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it, especially for right now. London is quite warm. It's about 25 degrees, so the summer is here, and this is perfect with this time of year. Creed Aventus DNA itself is very good for warmer weather, better suited for warm weather. Obviously you can use it anytime, but warmer weather is better suited for it. And also it doesn't have age, because DNA of Creed Aventus is very easygoing, is crowd pleasing, is people pleaser, and also is magnet for attention. If you want attention from other people, this kind of fragrance, especially the DNA of Creed Aventus, is very popular for a good reason, because it smells good, it smells easygoing, it smells inviting, it smells nice for what you're paying, especially on the £20 here. Yeah, so next video I'll let you know the performance, that's the important thing. So in the next video it will be either recommended or highly recommended, or not recommended because it's weak, or it's strong, it's going to be recommended. I will let you know in the next video, but for now, beautiful, very nice presentation, very good. In terms of bottle, it's amazing. In terms of everything is good, smells good. Creed Aventus DNA 90% plus good. In terms of smooth, it's very smooth. It doesn't have harshness. It's quite on the fruity side, which many people like. I am one of those people who like either balanced, either between the smokiness and fruitiness, or a little bit on the smokiness. So for me, this is on the fruity side, but I like fruity side anyway, but my favorite is the other ones. So and also the occasion, as I said, this is all year rounder, plus any occasion, anytime, anywhere, formal, informal, day, night. It's super versatile, as Creed Aventus is. So 300 or under £20, which one you go for? You do the math. I think majority of people will decide the latter, or decide the cheaper one instead of going for £300, unless you are a die-hard fan of Creed Aventus and you think every Creed Aventus is worth that price tag. Then good luck to you. I am one of those people who say, if you can afford it, and you love the DNA of if you love the original Creed Aventus, and you think it's worth it, why not? You know what I mean? Good luck to you. I'm happy for you, but for me, I don't think it's worth that much money. And when I can get something like this, which is much cheaper, I am much happier to pay this than £300. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit those buttons. You encourage me, you help me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future, and also your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, very intriguing, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in there as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.